Okay, so you've been recommended to take up skipping for your cardio, okay? But no one has taught you how to actually engage your core and get more out of your reps. Today's video, I'm gonna be sharing with you how to actually engage your core to help you do more tricks, more skills, and improve your jump rope style. There's a lot of talk about how to engage your core, and people talk about it when they're talking about doing most exercises in the world, right? In the world of fitness. But in skipping, there's a very specific way that I like to teach it, and also it helps me move the way I do. So if you're interested in that and making sure that you want to get extra gains with your ropes, then make sure you stick around to the end of this video. Now, remember, if you're new to the channel, I'd love you all to hit the subscribe button and do check our links down below. We do sell the most in-demand speed ropes on the internet, hands down. And if you use the code VIP30, you can get 30% off all Rush Athletic speed ropes, heavy ropes, mats, you name it, we've got you guys covered to start your journey the right way. So we're talking core and how to manage and engage your core, inner core strength. This would actually activate the beast mode in you guys. Now, if you've ever picked up a rope and started skipping, I guarantee that maybe 60%, 70% of you are not even sure or aware of how to use your core when it comes to using your ropes. Now, this thing is a lot easier and a lot more effective when you know how to engage this area of your body. Now, your core is beneath your muscles, okay? We're not just talking about someone who has 6-pack abs, 8-pack, whatever you name it, right? Everyone can engage their core and everyone can work on their core and build it and make it stronger. If you look at the calisthenics guys, those guys have serious core muscle. Now, what we're trying to do is we're trying to engage it. We're going to keep using the word engage, but we're going to try and fire your core to work with you with your ropes. Now, if you're someone who skips normally, right, you can get up off your sofa if you're watching this in your living room, wherever you are. But I can guarantee you that you're just jumping over your rope. Whether you're a bigger person or a smaller person, okay, your belly, your muscles, your torso, your core, it's just kind of just there, right? When it comes to engaging it now, guys, when it comes to sort of waking it up, the system, the feeling that I like to do and the feeling I like to teach it is, let's say you're skipping, right? Let's say you're someone here, maybe with a basic bounce, you're doing your boxer step. Now imagine someone was to come up to you whilst you're skipping and give you a little jab to your stomach area, right? Now, depending on that weight of that jab or how it is, you can start to actually flex and feel a crunch. Now, this will be normal ab crunches whenever you're feeling tense or you know someone's about to punch you. If you feel this now, as you're watching this video, if you feel yourself actually contracting those muscles behind your abdomen region, when you're skipping next time, I want you to feel that as if someone was coming and giving you a couple of jabs to the stomach, okay? And it will actually transform. It will transform a couple of things. It will transform your posture, primarily number one. When you start jumping now, there's a bit of power, there's a bit of stability, there's a bit of balance now injected into your game, right? Just naturally, if you just feel like everything's loose, everything's hanging, everything's kind of jiggling, right? You're gonna feel more weighty, you're gonna feel more heavier. The ground pressure, forces, etc., you're not gonna feel strong. So now when you've got this feeling, like I mentioned, that someone's just gonna give you a little tap to the stomach or a hard tap, right? As you jump now, you're naturally feeling taller, right? Naturally, the chest is slightly more out. You're not doing any of this anymore. You're not sort of slouched. When you're doing things like footwork, for example, I've got my core engaged right here. The level of balance that I feel just by that contraction, I feel like I can actually move around this mat just chilling. And that's the cool thing, right? Is however you move with your rope, whether it's like my kind of level, you know, you've got skills, you've got combinations, whether you're just there, jumping around, doing it for a warm-up, warm-down, always engage this core. Now, this video doesn't need to be too long, guys, right? But the main point, the main takeaway is this: build more core strength just by skipping like this. The more and more we skip like this, the more and more this starts to get trained, the more and more everything inside here starts to engage, activate, fire. And this you can take with any walk of life, whether you play football, tennis, paddle, wherever it is. The level of balance you'll have because of skipping, because you can execute moves like this because you've been watching this channel for a long time. You've seen me, the way I share every single skill and combination. Every single video I put out there, I'm engaging my core. And I want you guys to do the same. And this is just a quick one to put out there because so many people ask me, how can they perform X move or Y move? And a lot of it is obviously down to where your hands are, technique. But if you just start to feel this a little bit more, I guarantee you when you do start to practice high power moves, high power combinations, something will kind of activate in your brain saying, this feels easier, my stamina feels better, my endurance, my power, my energy levels. So start using your core more, and I hope you enjoy this little quick video, right? I know I always want to share a cool move or a tutorial, and this might be kind of like the boring stuff, but hopefully you get a lot of value from it. And if you did, do give this video a big thumbs up. Drop me a comment down below as well. Let me know what you guys, what moves you're struggling with or what you'd like to see me do. Could be something from back in the days, maybe an old video that I've done. I'd love to reload it and show more tips, share some more insight. And yeah, remember, VIP30, use that code VIP30 just for you guys. It's exclusive, guys. It is not being shared anywhere around the world. So use it, make use of it. 30% off every single rope, mat, accessory, everything, right? We ship worldwide. And yeah, I want to make sure that you guys are covered to start your journey the right way and carry on crushing in 2026. So guys, without further ado, I'll check you in the next video. So take care of yourself, skip the treadmill, stay safe. Peace.
Was the knight in shining armor in your movie? Would put your lips on mine and love the aftertaste now.